Hi there, Valerie Shodine here to show how to add sparkle and shine to your art journaling and artwork with these two awesome new stencils I designed for StencilGirl Products. I'm really excited to use them in my journals and artwork, and I'll show you a little bit how I do that. There's a 6x6 here, and then there's the 9x12 inch. And I'm going to start just by showing you a few pages. I have a space journal. If you know me, you'll know that one of my hobbies is space, and I've always been kind of a space girl, loving it. So I have taken this little stencil here and watercolor paints with a cosmetic sponge and just sponged this on here, and it's just so easy to do that. I've used two colors, indigo and then gold metallics. And then I've gone over here and let's see, and just stenciled those. I mean, literally, it just took a few minutes. So that's with this one. And then with the bigger one, I thought, well, I'm just going to show the very simplest. I didn't do any pen work or anything. But what I did do is I put this here and used my watercolors. Of course, you could use any medium that goes on here, acrylics or gelatos, and apply it. But I applied the indigo first and then went on top with some gold. And then some of these fit onto here, like this one fits here. And then you can put the gold in there, like this here. And this one, there's one of those here. And I didn't do this one, but this one fits here. And then this fits in the middle, because the diamonds fit kind of in the center with a little border there. And then you just stencil like that. Then what I like about this is you can also just stencil individual stars, so there's enough space to do that. And then there's these little dot stars that have borders here, and you can mix them up even, or use both of these for a smaller border and a bigger border. I'll show you, I've done that on this page here. I covered this up because I have things written there that I want to be private. But here's how you can just do a whole background with this here. And then I just went in with a little gel pen and did a little bit of doodling on top. Here's the border from the small one here. Oh, I guess it's the other way. Here. And then this one is the bigger border. I just wanted to show you how this one is bigger than this because they're very similar, but a little bit different. Here's a closer look at an A5 journal using these two stencils. The smaller star stencils for the border on the left, and then some of the dots and stars using the larger stencil. Then here's the back of that same journal using the large stencil, and you can see I've done a border along the pocket, which I think is really cool here, and just a little doodling dots to add pizzazz. To see a tutorial on how I make these pages of the light on dark and the dark on light, night sky with stars, and how I painted these pages on black paper, visit my blog at valerieshodine.com. Let's sparkle and shine like lights in the darkness.